Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole and today I'll be sharing with you my very first Chanel unboxing. And what makes it even more special is that it is my very first pre-loved Chanel. Let me get right into the unboxing before I share the reason why I decided to purchase Preloved. So this bag came with the full set of the Chanel paper bag, as you can see here, and it also came with the box, the receipt, original receipt actually, and the care card and everything really, which was also one of the reasons why I decided to purchase this particular bag from the reseller that I bought it from. And here is the bag. So it really feels like I got it directly from the boutique, and it came really beautifully wrapped as well, like with everything intact. So let me just remove this. And here is the box. And inside, this holds the original receipt. So there's the authenticity card here as well as the receipt. And here is the care card, I believe. Yes, the care card and also the cloth that you can use to clean your bag. And here is the bag. So this is my very first Chanel Gabrielle bag. And here it is. So the strap is really long. So likely I'll just carry it this way. And there's the belt protector as well. Now you can see the bag. So the condition of this bag is really amazing. You can see that there are no scratches on the bag at all. This Chanel Gabrielle is also in the size small. And inside the bag, there is also the stuffing for the bag. And inside there is the strap where you can like hook your keys or maybe small pouches to the bag. And this is how it looks inside. There are side pockets as well, and a zip compartment behind. This is how the bag looks. So one of the reasons why I decided to invest in a Chanel Gabrielle is because I find that it is a timeless piece, and it is also a very unique bag. You don't see as many people carrying the Chanel Gabrielle compared to like a classic flat or a Chanel boy, and I wanted something that was very easy and user-friendly for traveling, going to work, going for events, something that can look dressy, but at the same time, if you want to dress the bag down, this is also a bag that you can do that with. I also love that you can wear the chains in different ways. So you can wear it as a shoulder bag as well as crossbody. The reason why I chose white on black is because it is such a classic Chanel color, and I just felt like I needed to add a bag of this color combination into my bag collection. So the reason why I decided to purchase Preloved is because of the Chanel price increase that happened in May this year. So I'm sure everyone knows that Chanel increased their prices in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic, and it was a shocker. The price increase ranged from 5% all the way to 20, 22 or 25% even. So as of now, I'm not willing to pay an increased amount that was increased so much for a Chanel bag. Maybe in future I would, but currently I don't have the appetite to pay so much for a Chanel bag. So which brings me to my next point. How much did I pay for this Chanel bag? I paid a total of 3,990 Singapore dollars for this Preloved Chanel bag that is really in excellent or even like new condition. There is barely any signs of wear, so I got it at a great steal for this bag. And I'm still amazed and I'm still super happy every time I see this bag. And let me share the price of the Chanel Gabrielle bag now. So after the 8.3% increase, the price in Singapore dollars is now $6,350. So honestly, when I saw this piece online, I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe that the reseller was letting go of this bag at that amount. And I decided to take the plunge and buy my very first Preloved bag. And so far, I am not regretting it one bit. Especially with the price increase, some people may have been saving for years to buy a Chanel bag, but Chanel prices keeps increasing year on year. And sometimes it's just really exhausting to keep up with the price increase. For me personally, I asked the reseller for a lot of images of the bag before I bought the bag. So I actually bought this online. The reseller actually has a store in Far East Plaza, but because of the circuit breaker, all of the shops were closed. So when I saw this bag online, I contacted the reseller and asked for more images and also the list of things that the bag would come with. For me, it was very important to have the authenticity card and the hologram that is still intact inside the bag. Some of the other ways you can check and authenticate the bag before buying is by the leather, by the number of stitchings, by the CC lock, by the Chanel logos. All of these I have researched online, and I will include links in the description box below so that you can have a look at it if you're interested to buy your first Preloved Chanel and to just check before making your next purchase. Another thing I forgot to add was that the receipt is really important for me as well, because that is one way where I can also confirm that the bag was purchased from the Chanel boutique directly, and it also further authenticates the bag. I also understand that not all resellers have the full set of items that includes like the paper bag, box, dust bag, authenticity card, and even care card. It really depends. So you can also use the links to check and further authenticate the bag before making your purchase. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope that it can help you make your decision before taking the plunge to buy your next or your very first Preloved Chanel bag like I did for the very first time. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!